If you're a teacher, you've probably wondered, what should I get my class for Christmas? And so that's exactly what I'm going to share with you guys today. Is I have 9 ideas for you, all under $1.50, because we know that teachers, you have a lot of students, well, you don't have a lot of money. So you need to think of something that your kids will enjoy, that they will like, and that they won't just get rid of the next day. All right, so first up, my first idea is fuzzy socks. Now, I found this pair at the Dollar Tree this year. I've also seen Target has 2 packs of kids' fuzzy socks, and a lot of places have fuzzy socks. I love this idea because it's a great gift for your coworkers and your students. My next idea is also from the Dollar Tree, and that's these fun Make It blocks. I love these because they are only $1.25 for the whole set. And so these, like I said, are this year from 2023, and the ones that they have are a grocery store. That's what I'm showing here. They also have a pizza restaurant, fried chicken restaurant, and a hamburger restaurant. Next up is from the Target Dollar Spot, and those are these hashtag blocks. This is a creation that my son made. I love them because you can build like 3D structures with them. They're really interesting, and they look like this, and they're just $1. They make great gifts. They keep my kids entertained for a really long time. My next idea is also from the Dollar Tree, to grab a set of crayons and print your kids a mini coloring book. So these mini coloring books, they're actually regular coloring pages that are free that you can print off. And all I did was print them 4 to a page and made a little cover for them, and then pair them with a set of crayons. Also from the Dollar Tree, that would be a great gift idea is a new book. I really love this dog book because most kids are interested in dogs, and I love the nonfiction. They had a couple of other great ones, and each year their books are a little bit different, but I feel like you can always find a pretty good book. I love that Dollar Tree has them because I know Scholastic isn't really having their dollar books like they used to. And to make it extra special, you could even pair it with a personalized bookmark. This one that I made, the students kind of can color it in, but you could also make them like a cute colored one that you laminated and maybe put like a little ribbon on, would make it extra special and make it really a fun gift. My next gift idea is a deck of cards. So I found some really cute sets on Oriental Trading that are themed, or Amazon has them a pack of 20 for just $14. So that's a great gift idea that comes out to be under $1 a student, $1 a pack of cards. And the fun thing is that in class you could teach them a game, maybe a game that they only need one person, or a game that they could even play by themselves, like Free Cell or Solitaire. And that would give them something to do over Christmas break, that they would have their new deck of cards that they could use to play a game. Next up is that you could gift them 1 or 2 stickers. I know Amazon has these huge packs of stickers, and we've talked about using them as rewards before, but they also make really cute gift ideas. My last gift idea is coming from something that I feel like would be a true keepsake that kids would really love to have. And that's these personalized mugs. You could definitely just get them like a regular mug. I know my 4th grade teacher gave me a mug for Christmas, and I kept it until the paint came off, and I was really sad when I had to throw it away. But all she did was pair it with a little hot chocolate pack, and it was just one of my most favorite gift mugs. But I love this idea from Learning in Wonderland, where she does her whole class pictures on it, and then it would be a wonderful keepsake for kids. And so I highly recommend this. One's actually probably one of my favorite gift ideas, but it is going to take the most work, and it's going to cost a little bit more. I hope that you enjoyed this list. If you have a great student gift idea, please leave it in the comments below so that we can all share with each other. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, where I'll be sharing lists like this and other fun teaching ideas. Next week, we're going to be talking about what to give the teacher in your life, and I will see you back here next Sunday.